If you need to change the date of birth on your Gmail or Google account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to update your birthday step by step. And I'll also show you what to do if Google asks you to verify your identity along the way. This is useful if you entered the wrong birth date when you created your account, or if you simply need to correct your personal information. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you straight to your Google account settings, where you can manage your personal information, security settings, and privacy options all in one place. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account. If you have more than one Google account, double check that you're editing the right one before making any changes. Next, look at the menu on the left side and click on Personal Info. This section is where Google stores details like your name, birthday, gender, and contact information. After that, scroll down until you find the birthday section under Personal Info. Click on birthday once and then click it again if it gives you the option to edit. On some accounts, Google may open a detailed edit screen right away, while on others, you may need to tap the birthday field a second time to make changes. Now, Google may ask you to verify your identity before letting you update this information. If that happens, simply enter your Gmail password when prompted and continue. This is a normal security step, and it helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. Once you're verified, you can update your date of birth. Choose the correct month, day, and year from the available options, and make sure everything is accurate before you save it. Take a second to double check the date, because your birthday can affect account settings, age-related features, and certain Google services. When you're satisfied that the information is correct, click Save. Google will then update your birthday on the account. After that, you should see the new date of birth reflected in your personal info section. And that's it. You've now changed the date of birth in your Gmail account. If you followed along and this tutorial made things easier, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.